Want your iPhone to announce who's calling? You can use the Announce Calls feature to have your phone speak the caller ID name. Here is how to enable and use Announce Calls on your iPhone. Solution 1. Enable Announce Calls. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down again and find. Now tap Phone. Tap Announce Calls. Choose your preferred option. Always, your iPhone will always announce calls. Headphones and car. Your phone will announce calls only when connected to headphones or your car's Bluetooth. Headphones only. Your iPhone will announce calls only when connected to headphones. Never. Your iPhone will never announce calls. Your iPhone will now announce calls according to the selected settings. Solution 2. Customize Siri voice optional. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Siri and search. Tap Siri Voice. Choose the accent and gender you prefer for Siri's voice. This will change how the caller ID name is spoken when calls are announced. This is how you can enable and use the Announce Calls feature on your iPhone to hear the caller ID name. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.